Number 1. 3 radical 18 times 2 radical 6. You're going to multiply the 3 times the 2, and you're going to multiply the 18 times the 6. We need to break down that 18. So two numbers that multiply to 18 are 9 times 2. Okay, that gives us 18. We need to break down this 9 into 3 times 3. All right, you got to bring down the 2 because 3 times 3 just gives you the 9. 9 times 2 gives you the 18. So these 3 numbers make up the 18. Okay, so you have the 3 and the 2 outside. The 18 becomes 3 times 3 times 2. Now you have to break down the 6. The 6 breaks down into 2 times 3. So then you write it over here. And now you do couples. For every couple, you're going to write down a single number outside. Okay. Now you multiply all of these. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. 18 times 2 is 36. And you can get 36 square root of 3. Second one. 6 square root 24 x squared y cubed. We need to break down that 24. 24 is going to be 8 times 3. Right, that gives us 24. The 8 breaks down into 4 times 2. Right, those give us 24. This 4 breaks down into 2 times 2. Bring down this 2 and bring down the 3. Okay, these numbers make up the 24. Okay, so rewrite the problem. You have the 6 outside. You have 2, 2, 2, 3, 2 x's, 3 y's. Couples come out as 1. For every you take 1 out. That's not a pair. This is a pair. Take out a single one. That's another pair. Take out a single one. So on the outside we have 12 because you multiply this, x, y. You always put the number in front of the variables. You put the coefficient in front of the variables. On the inside you have 6y. 2 times 3 is 6 times the y. Okay? Next one. 2 radical 12 plus 3 radical 3 plus 4 radical 3. Okay? These are already like terms, but this one we have to simplify. So here on the side, 12 breaks down into 6 times 2. That gives us the 12. The 6 breaks down into 3 times 2. And we bring down this 2, right? The 3 times 2 gives you the 6. The 6 times the 2 gives you the 12. So in here we have 2 on the outside. And the 12 becomes 3, 2, 2. Couples go out as 1. Right? So you have 4 radical 3. Remember, you multiply them. 2 times 2 is 4. Plus 3 radical 3. Plus 4 radical 3. And now that you have like radicals, when you add or subtract, you combine the radicals. So you're going to add these numbers, right? So you're going to have 4 plus 3 plus 4 radical 3, or 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 radical 3. Number 4. 3 radical 20 minus 8 radical 2. Radical 2 is already simplified, but not radical 20. So we need to break down to 20. 20 breaks down into 5 times 4. 5 stays, but the 4 breaks down into 2 times 2, right? That gives us 20. So those are the numbers that we're going to use. So you have 3 radical 5, 2, and 2. Okay. Couples go out as 1. 2 times 3 is 6. So you have 6 radical 5. Bring down this minus sign. Bring down the 8 radical 2. Alright, you see how these are not like radicals? This is the final answer. You only combine if you have like radicals.